Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open Google Calendar and click Create to start a new event. Set a clear title, date, start time, and duration before inviting guests. Click Add Google Meet Conferencing to automatically generate a Meet link for attendees. Add a description with agenda and attach files up to 25 MB each. Choose the correct time zone from the drop-down menu if scheduling for remote teams. Click Save and then send to email calendar invitations to guests who need the link. Use guest permissions to control joining, screen sharing, and chat. Choose whether guests can modify the event, invite others, or see the guest list. Add alternative hosts or co-hosts by adding their email addresses to the event. Enable recording and choose where to save the recording in Drive before the meeting starts. Set Join before Host if you want attendees to enter up to 10 minutes early. Toggle Quick Access off to require host admission for safety. Add email or pop-up notifications like 10 minutes and 1 day before. Use multiple reminders to prompt attendees on different devices and time zones. Set recurrence for daily, weekly, or custom repeats up to 1 year for regular meetings. Copy the Meet link to share in messaging apps or add to agendas and documents. Edit the event anytime to change time, guests, or conferencing details, and then save updates. Export or print the event details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.